you ready for Halloween? It's my favorite time of the year. And as you can see, I am a witch. Yes, I am a super powerful witch, able to do magic and turn you all into cats. Meow! Don't worry, today I won't. Look, I was here studying a bit my spells book. It's a bit difficult. My teacher just asked me to do some activities. Do you want to do them with me? Let's open the book. What? Okay. Sort all the candy jars from the emptiest to the fullest. Alright? Sort all the candy jars from the emptiest to the fullest. But wait, hold on. We need to see the jars. Come on, show me the jars. Show me the jars. Here they are. Okay. So, the pink one. Yes, the pink jar is the emptiest. There is just one candy. So the emptiest. The orange one is a bit fuller than the pink one. Yes, a bit fuller. Okay, second position. Alright, what else? The yellow jar is even fuller. So I'm going to give the third position to that one. The blue one is fuller. Yes, it's much fuller. So the fourth position for that one. And the last one is the purple one. Is the fullest one. There are so many candies there. I want that jar for myself. Okay. Hey, look, we got a star. All right, let's turn the page and do one more activity together. Sort all the lanterns from the cleanest to the dirtiest. From the cleanest to the dirtiest. Okay, now I remember. Show them to me. All right, here they are. And they're very beautiful. They all have Halloween shapes. What is that? Look at that alarm. Are you telling me that we just have those seconds? Oh, we need to speed up. Okay. The gold-shaped lantern is the cleanest. No dirt. Yes, first position. What else? The pumpkin. The pumpkin-shaped lantern is a bit dirtier. Yes, what else? The witch or the bat? The witch. The witch is even dirtier than the pumpkin. Great. And the fourth one is the bat one. The bat-shaped lantern. That one is the dirtiest. It's super dirty. The dirtiest lantern. Yes, there. Last position. And I got a second star. My teacher will be super happy. Come on. One more page. Alright, let's see this. Sort the characters from the scariest to the cutest. From the scariest to the cutest. Like, not scary at all. Show me the characters. Nice. I'm a bit scared, The scariest one for me is the monster. I don't like monsters. Do you like monsters? Not me. The second one might be the vampire. The vampire is a little bit, less scarier. The ghost is less scarier than the vampire as well. And the pumpkin, that's not scary at all. That's super cute. It's the cutest. It's the cutest character. Don't you think so? Did I get a star? Yeah! Great! Yes, the teacher will be very, very happy. Thank you.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos! Let's keep learning with us with Funny Friends School, and today the adjectives comparatives. But what are they? Remember, the adjectives comparatives help us compare things. We can use them when we talk about animals, people, or even when we play games. We usually add er, the suffix er, to the word. Can you see, like fast? The comparative is faster, okay? The car is very fast. The car is faster than the bike. If a word has only one syllable, fast, like it just sounds in one syllable, we add er. And sometimes we need to double the last consonant. For example, big is bigger with two G's, or tall is taller, right? In this case, it's already double. But sometimes we need to pay attention to this and make it double. If a word has two syllables and ends in Y, we change the Y to IER, from happy to happier. And for long words, we use more, okay? So for words with more than 3 syllables, intelligent, it has 4. We cannot say intelligenter and add ER. We put more intelligent, more beautiful. Some words are special, like good, which becomes better. And for these, we need to remember. So let's do the exercise together. And here we have activity number 1. Find the comparative adjective for each in the word search. Okay, so for full is what? We need to put ER, fuller. Yes? Great. Then we have cleaner. From clean, cleaner. We add ER. From dirty, pay attention. We have Y. For Y, we change it into IER. So dirtier. From tall, I already wrote it here. Taller. Then for fat, we have fatter. And see that in this case, we double the consonant T. And bad, the same as good, is an exception. We cannot put ER at the end and say better. We say worse. So let's find worse is WORSE. Now let's find these words in here, okay? And let's just start with full. Where can you see fuller? Fuller. We need to find I'm going to take the yellow marker. We need to find the F, and F is here. So look, fuller. I found it. Well done. Now we go for clean. Clean. Fine. Let's go for CL. CL. No. CAL. No. CL. Yes. Cleaner. Well done. Then for dirtier. Dirtier, the first D is here. DI. Yes, DIR. TIER. So dirtier. Well done. And taller. What about taller? Taller. We need a T. Then we need an A. Let's go and find the T's. T's. AL. No. TA. Taller. Where is taller? Okay, taller. Yes, here. Taller. I saw it. Then we go for fatter. And in here, fatter. And finally, for bad, we need worse. So let's go and find W. Here, worse. And this is it. Well done, guys. You did great.